This is a press briefing from the Resident Electoral Commission, Rivers State. The Independent National Electoral Commission, Rivers State, has been notified of the threat to life of the state collation officer for the presidential election in Rivers State, Professor Ted Charles Adias, the Vice Chancellor of the Federal University of Otueke. I want to urge the public and our critical stakeholders to know that the function of the state collation officer is just to collate results of elections conducted at the various local government areas of the state. He is not a supervising presiding officer nor a presiding officer that conducts election at the polling units. He is only collating results already collated at the local government area level that cannot be changed except by the verdict of an election tribunal. I urge those concerned to cease forthwith in unleashing threats because his job does not involve accreditation, voting, counting, computation, validation, etc. of votes by the parties at the primary and secondary levels. I wish to draw the attention of the security agencies, especially the Election Commissioner of Police for Rivers State, that is equally a co-chairman of the Interagency Consultative Committee on Election Security, to this attempt to truncate the collation of presidential elections in Rivers State. In another development, I wish to notify the public that INEC Rivers State has suspended Falga in 2 House of Representatives and Port Harcourt local government area Senate elections for alleged irregularities. The Commission will conduct thorough investigation before further actions will be taken. Signed by my very self, Dr. Johnson Alalebo Sinikem, the Resident Electoral Commissioner, Rivers State, INEC.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.